Thokozani. Lisedi, ndawe. Okay, I got delayed. I don't have time many times. I promised I'm going to carry on teaching you about the garments. I'm going to teach you about mahia, masila, amabai. Right. This material, oh my God, it's all over the show. Everyone has got this material. Wonke umuntu unalo leli bhayi. Mawuthi uya emamolu nangu umuntu ulifakile as a sundress. Mawuthi uyakuphi left, right and center. On the positive side, it's good that everybody is embracing their spirituality. Which is good. We were brainwashed for a long time. Ngithi awavuthe amalangabi thina sisebenza ngomlilo. Right. Leli bhayi lisiya leli hiya leli. Ihiya lamandawe. It's for Nzawe spirits. Ngiyazi, it's been said many times. It's even monotonous now. Okay, elamandawe, I will say more about what has not been said, to show that I was called to come and share with you guys. I don't just decide on a topic from my head. I just get told and then I share with you guys. This is for Ndawe spirits, which originates outside of South Africa. I've heard some people saying, yeah, minumdawe wami is for my own family, is from my own blood. Okay, fair and fine. Umdawe is a foreign spirit, right? Loyo moya loyo does not have mercy. Loyo moya loyo unolaga. Loyo moya loyo uyachitha. Loyo moya loyo causes infertility. Loyo moya loyo causes chronic diseases within your system. Yeah, spirit nje esinamandla kakhulu. So this is for Ndawe spirits. Uzozibona uphupha leli gawuni, ngesinye isikhathi uphuphe uliphiwa usemanzini, ngesinye isikhathi uliphupha nje lithenge ulibeke uliphahlele, konke kuzohamba ngolayini. Amen.